Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix bugs and glitches in the Free Fire game on your iPhone. So if your game is lagging, freezing, crashing, or showing random issues, then don't worry because this method can help you fix it very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, unlock your iPhone and head over to the Settings app. Once you are in Settings, scroll down a little and tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage and wait a few seconds for all apps to load. Now scroll down until you find Free Fire and simply tap on it. Here you will see an option called Offload App. Go ahead and tap on Offload App and confirm it again. This will remove the app temporarily, but it will keep your documents and data safe. Once the game has been offloaded, tap on Reinstall App. Your iPhone will now reinstall Free Fire automatically. After the installation is complete, open the game and check if the bugs or glitches have been fixed. In most cases, this will fix common Free Fire issues because it refreshes the game files and removes corrupted temporary data. If the issue is still not fixed, you can also try restarting your iPhone and updating Free Fire from the app. Store to the latest version. So yeah guys, that's basically how you can fix bugs and glitches in the Free Fire game on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful gaming and iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.